Hey, Linda Germain here from Printmaking Without a Press, and I wanted to encourage you to use those stencils that you have laying around your studio to make marks in your prints, sketchbooks, or just on paper. So I've got an accordion sketchbook here, and I'm going to play with adding some marks with a gel pen and a stencil. So I like to scribble inside the holes to make an interesting mark. I stabilize the stencil with one hand and scribble with the other. Think about the direction. So with that one I went vertical. Think about maybe only using part of the stencil. Think about going off the page. Really expand how you might use a stencil in your work. Today I'm really just using parts of the stencil. I'm not using the whole thing, and I'm using them to make marks to lead the viewer around the page. This is fun, easy, and fast. And finally, you might even use your stencil upside down. I love to do that with text and letters. It kind of draws the viewer in closer to take another look, to try to understand what's going on. And I always love to use marks to lead the viewer into my work and around the page. So gather up your stencils and make some marks today. Enjoy!